Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. On the daily chart, crude oil has formed a head and shoulder formation as it breached the neckline of the formation and is trading below it, implying bearish bias for the prices. Crude oil have been trading with a lower low formation while moving below the previous swing low as well. Prices should test the trendline support around the level of 6,480 and 6,400 levels. The momentum indicator RSI has a negative crossover as it moves towards the oversold zone supporting the bearish move. Thus, any rise should be an opportunity to sell, targeting the level of 6,400, while the reversal should be above the level of 6,700. Hence, we expect crude oil to trade with a negative bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.